Okay, I got some more spackle done. I had to do the corners because I realized that no one ever put tape on the corners. So I had to do that. I had to do across here because there was a wire that was kind of painted in. Patched up some more here. Did some more I had to do up here. Did some more spots on this wall. This wall. Filled in these vent holes. I'll have to make them bigger. I did more spackling in here. Back this up. That's all it is. Okay. Went over any small little spots that might not look good. We are going to paint it white, so it's going to look a lot better in white as well. Put a new fan in. It has a nice cover. Once I sand around it, put the cover on and paint. That's it. So we'll get going. This stove is going. It's only a 20-inch. We're putting in a 30-inch stainless. That'll be here Friday. Patch the ceiling. Doors are in. Doorknobs. I'm not sure if I mentioned the doorknobs yet. Another new door back there for the opening because the original door was installed upside down and cut about 2 inches too short. And it's hollow, so we got a solid one now. Ceiling is painted.
And do you want to swap $1,000?
Okay guys, I got the first coat of paint on the purple room. It used to be this color. I got one coat of paint on it. It actually covered halfway decent, but it definitely needs another coat. In this room, I got the ceiling painted. I got the fire things put up. Fire detector, smoke detector, whatever you want to call it. Smoke detector. Over here, I got a smoke detector now. The ceiling is painted as well. This hi-hat was actually showing a little bit on the edge, so I had to put a little more spackle there, so it's not fully done yet. This ceiling over here, this dropped area was gray. It was gray like the walls, but now it's ceiling color, which is what it should be. It felt like it was enclosing on your head when it was gray. Kitchen is in, the stove is here. I cleaned that up and put it back. I put a new fan. These lights are also night lights. The old night light. Light. Night light. Very cool. I have to bring my vacuum because this place is full of dust. Clean the brushes. It's getting there. I primed over some of the spots, even though they don't need it on the walls because that's paint and primer in one. So probably tomorrow I'll be painting some of these walls. Oh, I got these hi-hats in also. I don't know if you can see those. Four new hi-hats. All LEDs. I started the molding in this room. I just got to put that quarter circle, I guess it's called, on the bottom. It's cut, but I have to just nail it in. The regular 5.5-inch molding is already cut. That's done. So this room is pretty much done except for those doors got to be put up. Kitchen. The sink is cut out. I had to put this piece of molding here because the original wall, as you can see, is crooked. So this will block that. I didn't want to block the tile, so I'll use a small corner molding there. New stove is in. The door is here. All the floors are done. I'm not sure what I recorded, so I might be repeating myself, and I'll have to fix the video, but that's everything for now. Let me get back to work. It happened. Broke. Okay. I'll make a new one of these. Flip back. I gotta make a new one of these. Zip, zip, and be done. Okay, that's fixed. Looking good. All right, guys, so I finished the apartment. Reno, new kitchen, new flooring, molding, paint, took down a wall, tiled the kitchen, you know, the backsplash, new cabinets, new stove, new sink, and new hi-hat lighting, new ceilings, and I'll take you for a quick walkthrough. Here it is. This is the bedroom. Got the 3 different style lights in here, new vents, oh, new doors everywhere, new doors, new door handles, door locks. Here's the kitchen. Need to dust off some of the stuff here, but new molding. A new door. Boxed around all the plumbing and electric work that was hanging off the ceiling. Put this nice pole. It's holding up the header for the basement, obviously, but it was showing, so we made it look nice. Oh, flooring. Another new door, new hi-hats. Another new door. I did the flooring all the way into the little hallway going up the staircase. Closet. So what I'm doing now is I'm just gotta paint the bottom molding and I'm out. Job complete. I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video, but I'm a little dusty. Oh my God, what do I look like, a rabbit? Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little button down below, wherever that is. I know people talk about it. I don't even know where it is, but you can subscribe. It's not hard. Just press the button. Done. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. I gotta go clean up.